yafa kibanzo kwa mushanju 2026 yabikira abanywani abanyamukago abakwe n'abanyabusari nihija kubaho kushabira mu biro bw'omugenzi nyencyakare ebiro bishatu byo kwa mushanju 2026 shahina zakasheshe aha All Saints Church Mbarra nabwanyuma okutera amakubo makagabo nyamitanga kutandikana shahi mweso mwabazyo okuzika nukwija kuba Karamba Butambara district aha rwamukaga ebiro bina okwa mushanju 2026 kutandikana shamukaga zihango Ruhanga amwe cyumuro cy'urundi abeka y'omugenzi mpakaniye Francisco ababukuna rugando rwampara nababuka mutabano wabo Dr. Tumwesije Innocent owa ferizoba ebiro bibiri byo kwa mushanju 2026 nazikwe ebiro bishatu byo kwa mushanju omakagabo rugando rwampara babikira abanyabusari n'abanyamukago omugenzi Ruhanga muhereze cyumuro
Uganda mwetebekanisize ubu ni bwo bwire bwo kucamukana sente omukazana kare kubasa kwindura amagara gawe ubwo rikoresa shiringi 20 zonka.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, ni mugamba chikani mbatangira program chamukana sente Razak Banks the truck driver mvugiwe pango ni banaragaramu every single Sunday wari bazaba shaisha tunecheka otima yangu akasente nikabaka aragaramu. I'm telling you, let us call that number tumurebe omuhanguzi witu werizoba owemitwaro 50. You could also be a lucky winner. Just go into your phone. Katerebo omuhanguzi witu werizoba. Hello. Yes, hello, asibo tasebo. Amazina ganje nebanyeta Razak Banks MC the truck driver kuluga aha TV West.
TV West nehinda TV West nehinda Odia TV West na kwa chiroma makuru Agacencwire amazina Mbabazi Charity kanyine Lois Gava erizoba norwakana kandi birone bibiri byo kwa mushanju 2026 eshahane birezo mwebaziyo tuja kwisiya ibija mutwe kandi kutoragartse tuja kwisiyaho ebija omugacencwire ombweje
emitwe y'amakuru ne kushikibwaho vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love. Mugacencwire kireki abakozi bishengero mushanju bakwatwa ahabo kuryangatanisa sente. Uganda yakwatanisa na government ya United Kingdom okora project y'amashanyarazi muri Mbarara City. Abantu bigana babiri abatahirira barracks z'amaho mu Rwenzori kusindikwa mu kote nkuru emitwe y'amakuru yabane kushikibwaho blended pure vegetable cooking oil second best to a mother's love.
Bodi TV Western Mbabazi Charity na Lois Gava kandagana makuru Agacencwire mbuyijire akacika karukurwanisa oburwengu zo mwihanga aka Anti-Corruption Commission omuri Kampala kasin kabakoze omushanju bishenjero aha rimanda kwisiebera omushanju kwezoku bitu owa munana owa manyanka itute Stella tiyarebekaho bwanyuma yo kumanyisa IGG ngwarwire
zawazirisha ibiro z'akasheshe of office ya karishorisho wa government eyakurwa Justice Naruze Aisha Batara yatandika kweta abakozi b'ishenjero mwahandijo bitu buri yabanazayo yabatara kugaruka na wanyuma ya shahina amakuru gatandika kuhamya ngo kwa abantu 8 abarumu Itute Stella personal assistant, Okema Leonard executive secretary, Chris Ariko Obore director communications, Adiro Daniel director human resource, Rajab Kaya Semaruru principal research, Okwi Emmanuel Emalon principal protocol officer, Oteba Vincent capacity development officer na Mrebe Methods orukura sako ishenjero bakwatwa wanyuma yo kugahurira twirukangira office ya IGG kantu ashanga barukubiyaho statement na wanyuma Murebe Methods orukurira sako ishenjero yayikingira no mu toilet ya IGG kumarakire kandi bamwihayo kifuba na wanyuma muramuzi Justice Stella Simwe yabigura hemanja ezokoresa ku bisente okuchondoza kwa office ya karishorisho nukoreka ngo Itute Stella personal assistant akaryangatanisa milioni 5.5, Okema Leonard executive secretary akahuta bilioni 3.8, Chris Oriko Obore director communication akaryangatanisa bilioni 5 na milioni 200, Adiro Daniel director human resource wakakohokana bilioni 14 na milioni 6, Rajab Kaya Semaruru principal research akarya bilioni 2 na milioni 17, Okwi Imaron principal protocol officer akakohokana bilioni 1 na milioni 100, Oteba Vincent capacity development officer akaryangatanisa bilioni 5 na milioni 200, kandi Murebe Methods orukurira sako ishenjero akaryangatanisa bilioni 10 na milioni 89. Aba bakakoresa ku bisente ekitana n'amateka ga Anti-Money Laundering Act section ya 3 B na E na section igani 19 na nigana 39 E na A ya United Money Laundering Act cap M8. Abaprida babo bashabo kubemererwa kunkomora muzi yabamanyisa ngo mushango gwabo tugubasa kuhebwa bail nukwe kubasindiko mu cyomeruzira okusebera omushanjo byo kwa mushanjo mwakogu kandi omushango gwabo nukuza kurwa on high court. Gasha kwa Jimmy Muhumza.
Webere Jimmy Muhumza omuri Kampala. Government ya Uganda yakwatanisa na United Kingdom okutongoza omurimo gw'okwombeka project y'amashanyarazi ya Amari Power Transmission Project aho mu Rembo orwambarara. Project ekineija kumaraho million $50 akaneija kukorerwa omezi 30 nekigenderwa kyokongera obwingi bw'amashanyarazi okutungura eby'amakorro n'okutunga mentasya obwo bari kuguza amashanyarazi aga amahanga gaherire Uganda.
Dr. Monica Musenero ori Minister w'ebyamashanyarazi n'obwinga bw'omwitaka na Baroness Chapman ori Minister wa State ahabwa International Development omwihangire United Kingdom nibo bakorera omukoro gw'okutongoza project y'okukora amashanyarazi eya Amari Power Transmission Project.
Yes, and can we get a shot with just the two ministers? Everyone else peels across.
Omukoro gwaba hari Mbarara South Substation omuri Mbarara City.
And we've come here to do the groundbreaking on this electricity substation. It's a really exciting project for Uganda, and it's going to lay the foundation for prosperity and many, many jobs here in Uganda. And it's amazing to know that you'll also be using what's happening here to export to neighbouring countries as well. And this is going to really secure future prosperity and plans.
Uganda and UK have a long relationship. We have a very long-term relationship, and this has now matured. It has gone through various phases, but it has now matured to this stage where today we have taken a step which I believe is a more powerful step and more powerful partnership. This is a partnership of co-investment to support enterprise development, which is a more powerful model, in my view, compared to the aid model, which has been beneficial.
Baroness Chapman yasima obwembezi bwa Uganda abo kuhagira okoresa amashanyarazi agatine kabaha by'obuhangwa ag'emihendo mike kandi ngu project egi niyo kubanza yenkora nk'egyo muri Africa.
It's not just an exciting moment for this project. This means an awful lot more than that. I think first of all it speaks to Uganda's amazing leadership on clean energy. Your electricity mix is almost entirely renewable, it's reliable, it's clean, and it's affordable power for Uganda. And it's improving the transmission that will make a real difference.
So we signed a memorandum of understanding with the Ugandan government 4 years ago now to do the first independent power transmission project in Uganda, and as you noted, it's now become the first on the continent. Uganda has a very well-organised electricity sector, and that's one of the reasons we were attracted to Uganda in the first place. The sector's well-regulated, the tariffs are cost-reflective. So, and this is pertinent to the question you asked the Minister as well. You can see how certain projects are very accretive in the country, how they can unlock more generation and serve more customers.
Engineer Daniel Kasara orokurra byokutoma nkora za project omu Uganda Electricity Transmission Company Limited na jirangu Amari Power Transmission Project neija kwero kwongera obwingi bw'amashanyarazi okurwana sokurugaho kw'amashanyarazi n'okutungura eby'amakorero.
Kati nga abanaganda tumanyi ebisere bivuddeko tubadde tulina amashanyarazi nga gavaavaako. Kati government yaleese project nga eyita mu bazungu abadde naffe okumala ebbanga ab'Ebungereza government of UK batuwadde ssente ezigenda okukola omulimu guno. Omulimu guno gugenda kubeera mu bitundu bya njawulo. Wano we tulina Mbarara South. Mbarara South eno wesibuka line egenda e Rwanda.
We build it because every additional megawatt ampere is a claim on our future industry, a mineral processing plant that can now connect, an industrial park that can now come up, that can now be powered, a commercial farm. It's really an enabler of this industrial drive in our country.
Amari Power Transmission Project neija kukora ha substation zibiri eyo muri Mbarara hamwe n'endijo ryo mu Rutororo kandi okora project icyo nkuteekateekwa ku mwaka 2028 gasha kwa Anita Atukunda.
Webere Anita Atukunda. Koti idara lyokubanza omu district ya Kasese hetireho ebiro 22 by'okwa mushanju 2027 nk'ebiro by'okusindika abantu 200 abatahiriye barracks z'amahina police omu kooti enkuru okuza kukozesebwa ahabw'emishango erikubajunanwa.
Ahari kibanza cyo kwezi kwa 11 omwaka gw'2025 abantu abari kurengigana ababire bine muhoro n'ebindi bakwato bakatahira barracks z'amahe omu Rwenzo nabondo bujo n'ebichweke bindi nuko kwatwa bakatebwa hemishango iri mu bwisi n'obuzahambukine ndijo. Okwihobo abantu aba batwira ha Romando mu chome cha government echa Muruku omu district ya Mbare. Okurumboku okwakuzirwa abantu abari kugamba kuba babire bine mbundu emuhoro amacumu n'ebyo kurwanisa bindi kukabaha police detach n'ebitongore bindi mu district ya Kasese Bunyangabo bundu bujo na Kabarore kandi emichenja neja hakaferamo abantu baburijo obwa hatkoti idara ly'okubanza mu Kasese egarukire yashutama nuko kwongeza umushango ogu okusya habirabiri nabiri byo kwezi kwa mushanjo mwaka ogu prida wabamomba rukujunanwa kanso bana Bastin Kasimire nagirango hata masiko gizire ngeyongera umuhoro yo kureba ngo abantu aba batunga uburinganiza.
Kozesa wa government rizoba yagirango ibirabire na bibiri ebitwasha abarundi b'ikoti yatwa kugaruka mu koti ebyo kwezi abantu abibatereho emishango baraza kuba barabahayo ikintu cyo bareta komite mu high court kureba ngo bakozeseka. So ndareba ngo progress hatiya twaza kutandika gukora progress baba twara mu high court iyo bari suppose kuhozesebwa ukwe kiratubonerera
state anemubu ati banimulengesha kutsebu erangira angu papura binyu bakabukola bikabatuma mu high court
Kansoti Nkasimire nagira ngo bwahate huriyo kushaba kugira ngo abantu batunga ubwema eriyo negendo misho
okushaba kwemererwa kwibiha y'abantu bamwe habiru mu high court yitubikuza kushaba ejo obwo bwema baletaga ibihandiko sofa twakabyiha abantu 89 tulirede wikerisha kuba turatayo okushaba kwabo mu high court ya Criminal International Division iri Kampala
okurugera Ruprida Tinkasimire government ashimire kurekura abantu aba kucya kubahekarimwa kubasindi ko mukote nkuru obutarenge birabirnabiri byo kwezoku
abantu tubabungire mu makomera gabo ebiba basibire bofe mbale na Ruzira prison ebeitu enkomone ba stressinga kugira ngo bamara yobwire bwinji emyeze mushanje hatiya government itakabakoze saka enecho turukushabira ngo ebirabire na bibiri government yaba abantu batari kubasa kuba committinga mu high court for trial nabarabe batashabirwe beiru unilaterally yabahe non conditional bond
when you read there la subienda kuna basi na watu msango ujulizi kurekura kwesi baba bore kwa expedited investigation sekwen kwenye rumai kwa bilasa melimaneva mkaliwa yalama na kutra esa emparwera na abutiro kwa mhamba yuno mwana atolama na mbe Yesu kwa kwa katika mreo kwa kumana tena.
I was a dead worker in Morocco. So since they arrested me, they are no longer paying me. My bonds are accumulating seriously. So my request is to at least release me on bail so that I want to settle some loans.
Bamwe abanyabuzare babanta bakwasuruwe nabo hine bagamba hambera y'abantu babo
bali mu mberanda abana ni bana 8 bakasigara na nyina wenga hati trene ebikubayamba sukuru fizi tibaine na hati abandi barwairi sazini tubasigira mu kitanda nabandi hirwaro
ugamusiri bamutwara sazino emyezi tugena myezi mukaga nitwijja koti taro hechiro nzei wange musajja mukuru ali nebirwaire emyaka aina emyaka 78 dusaba government eleta abazaire baitwe turole bakora musango ko babasomera musango abako batwara mukoto babatwareyo
abantu aba batwire barebecera umukota hangora ya teknolojiya ero kumanyonga zoom bita abantu babo nibagira ngo bakabine no babareto mbihome bya hehi gasha kwa Thomas Tumwebaze na Gilbert Muhanguzi
mwebara bashatse bitu bamakuru ba kansara ba district ya Kagaderi Zoba batora na district speaker wanyuma yo kumara ubwire district 13 council na speaker ekiziro wanyuma yo mramzi Vincent Opiene okurajira district okutora na speaker ombero mushanjo kurugebero ekibanza cyo kwa mushanjo 2026
Vincent Semuga niwe yatora no kuba district speaker bwanyuma ya kote nkuru yahoyimo kuragira district okutora na speaker ombero mushanjo byonka kuruganya mwebazyo Ibirabira kimwe kwa katane 2026 bakansara bakaremo kutora na speaker wabo bwanyuma yo wabira singire okurema kusiyo bucwe katano na kamwa harigana kandi omuramuzi Nazifa n'amayanja akacomwa kongeza yakaruraka okusiyo biri 11 kwa mukaga 2026 betu kandi omumba abire besimbere akacomwa kuzo mukoti kuhakanisa enchwamu y'omuramuzi ogu. Omu karuura aka Magezi Jamada Francis akatunga oburuura 32 kandi Vincent Semuga yatunga 28. Erizooba omuramuzi Nazifa n'amayanja yayongera yakurra okuteera akaruuru ka district speaker kandi yarangirira Vincent Semuga nk'omusinguzi.
Mr. Semuga Vincent has obtained the highest number of votes and is hereby declared the winner and the speaker of Kagadi district.
Vincent Semuga owasinga karuura aka nagira ngu obu nibwo bwire abantu ba district ya Kagadi okutunga obuheereza okurabira omu council ahabo kugira ngu hati executive committee yona ijwire.
Swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will at all times will and truly serve Kagadi district in the office of speaker and that I will support and uphold the consent of the Republic of Uganda as by the law established. So help me God.
Semuga nagira naza kukora n'abebembezi boona okusya abantu obuheereza.
Nkanyowe omwekulembeza akomere kiro kya hati nkweraganiza nti ninkwija first of all kuteeka isira ku uniting council abo kuba norango abairemu a lot of contestation on determining who should be the speaker. So the first agenda will be korango we have a united council. Secondly, I want to foster transparency and accountability. Omulimo guno gutohiro kirukinu we are executing it on the behalf of the general community, on behalf of people of Kagadi, on behalf of the council and of entire Uganda. So
babanda batoranwa aha district executive hariho John Arbankoha owatoranwa kuba omuhezi wa mukuru w'entebe ya katano na Oliver Hasimu muhandikiwe by'amagara.
Ninyeraganiza kukoragana na chairman wanteremo wesije kuba muhabuzi waye, ninyeraganiza gukora n'aba councillors, ninyeraganiza gukora n'abantu ba Kagadi district. Tukusaba mutuha amagezi kandi mutusabire abukobwa kulembezi bona buruga mwali ruhanga.
Kale kibampaire badagene kikale ico kikwija no kugiranizibwa obwingi. So ninyetagwa kwatagana kurungira abakansera bagenzi bange no kwabulwa kuruga mu bantu.
Ndi kureba hembaganiza aka umukuru Elgad akaba ari umuntu wa NRM, umukuru Semuga abera ari umuntu wa NRM, wehireho ngo kubagwire bene shonga zabo bashwa bagaruka.
Abebembezi b'inamasiko ngo obukanso yijura emirimo yaza kutandika kutambura. Gasha kwa Thomas Tumwebazi.
Webari Thomas Tumwebazi reka tumire tugaruka nagarukurata.
Abatahirire kishara cya byasino muri Mbara bahebwe biro 21 okutityamuka.
Icyo kugira ngo twabantu zarimwe cyo nico.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
At Fins Medical University, we offer online postgraduate diploma in medical education, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, MBCHB, Bachelor of Pharmacy, Bachelor of Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, Diploma in Clinical Medicine and Community Health, Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, and certificate programs. Fins Medical University, a chartered medical university in East Africa and is located in Fort Portal. Apply now for the March or July-August intakes. Visit our offices or apply online on our website or contact us for details. Fins Medical University, saving lives, our passion.
ebyo kwomeka byongera koroba kankwanjulire ankole Crazy Limited abara kubumbira byo kwombekesa nkamategura amatafari n'ebindi bingi kandi ryo mutindo gwahigu nkamangalole tiles Portuguese tiles na flat top agemigongo lero bakwinira amatafari ga buli mulingo nka fire bricks max pans interlocking bricks otebwe partitioning blocks obumori buro bwabuzire bwena babwine nka Z-Vent Torino Venezia na Sisa bakwine na Pompeii Malta Double Pompeii mwena bombeche na ba engineers na contractors mwena ankole Crazy baborobezaho byona barabibumbira muri mbarara omwibumbe rishugeine barakwesa technology rispiria echo nabyombeche changale nkabendera ya Uganda bashangali mairo 8 mbarara kabale road esimu noti mushanje 2 ananina 15 chenda na mukaga ankole Crazy Limited tugende twombeke
manager ogito wagito konka batu mu kidara kabatakagiremo MC takiziri DJ atumwe na wiring ebyoma tugumisize shanki ibiri
bantu mwareka turgo muzano tugume twatesha twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju tikizana ngu okushara cake ni shamushanju nizeze nyine byo ni shara cake tukazakunywa mbogo na wapensiyo na nesente konga tanyuire mbogo nikushekerera nikuteganisa wenda ninyende mbogo yonka oyine mbogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nikolera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje
Tumu Medical Institute irashangwa muri Rugongo Karongo Buhweju District barakira beja bojona beshiki okwija kushoma certificate yo nursing certificate yo buzalisa midwifery diploma yo nurse extension diploma yo buzalisa extension itende chole handisiwe mu bwijire omu ministry yo bwegesi nemizano kandi na center number okuruga mu Unimap itende chero ginentani sabwo buherezo skills lab ejire byo kushomeraho abashomeza batende kigweji library jire bitabo internet na wifi ya bushabwa beje na staff igwariro ryo kuragurira beje bagwara intambura ya bushabwa beje babarahumura na babarahumuruka ebyo kurya biri fresh kuruga mu farm zitendekero abeje bona baratungo buraro bwa busha umwanya ni muhango kandi gwehererire abwa beje kushoma kurunje abeje barashoma certificate barashashura sirinje miliyoni 1.50 aba diploma sirinje miliyoni 1.4 okumenya birakiraho tera not mushanju 5 mushanju ni 5 mushanju ni 3 10 excellent innovation and diversity in health.
Skylight Hotel eresora uhereza bwo murembo muri Mbarara City ahibaru kwereza breakfast ngakatogo omelette Rolex sumbusha chapati chai yamate eyo mukaru akatunda ko murembe nebindi
bineyo na chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazi hangwe nibateke nkoko embuzi echenyanja muchemo obushaza akaro ekitoche echozi emondi greens obutura eshwiga kandi echo kunywa nikigenderaho
hey manya bino buraro burunji bwo murembe aha beinunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City breakfast ne yabusha bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV security rije kandi parking ne yemarira
bine bara yo murembe pool table sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall
Skylight Hotel neshangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kache aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete ijuka ngu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera note mushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga note mushanje note mukaga 36
Tandika izuba ryawe na ABC Dent na Fresh Up Fluoride Toothpaste ogira kasheko izuba ryona ombazgwa meino ogwatongozibwe hamtindo gwensiona kandi gukahangura umudali gwa People's Choice and East Africa Award nigukuma kaho komukanwa karunji gweza meino kwiteshikoko cyo meino kandi gukazibero kurwara kozesa ABC Dent na Fresh Up omubirengo bitari bimwe na bimwe ebirimo white gel habo mint gel hamwe na red gel buri ka box ka ABC Dent na Fresh Up no shanga mu brush ya meno eyabsha gushanje umaduka gona mwehanga na burengero izuba bwa Africa tunga ABC Dent na Fresh Up ahabwa kasheko akakusingayo
kampani zo kutwara abantu aheru zirinka hikanaraha gacayina
yaba tendatine
agandi mu
nogamba ki
ori yori yo protoko gumire nishabo nyambe nyene cene maweki nyenda kukitwara aheru banje ngo hari abantu
arekeraho abo kutwara abantu ahera bese gwamba beta bahezi recruitment expert re bararya Amazon building mwijemba tware
tutware
bito nyeri
ontware ahori kwenda.
Itwe aba Haze Recruitment Expert nutuzaguza myaka 10 ombohereza ubwo kutwara abantu aheru irabambara nsangwa Amazon building not musanjina not emwe not office zito za Kampala nsangwa rubowa opposite na Kwarte supermarket esumu not musanju ine mirundena itane mirundena ninga not musanjina noti emwe 235 mukaga Haze Recruitment Expert go Haze
go better
kashati wa
Nkazoro mfarati murunji kanda gworobi roseful nikangara kunkubya mashamera nogwa mutindo roseful isi yokushemera kwanje
okuraraje nukureto kuhangara no kutekatekaje omugongo takubyamaje no imukora kushasha hindure mbyamire yawe no farati gwa roseful nugwo farati gwa family buri muringo gwona ogwo farati guruho
nahati nyenchakare nebire byombisho roseful isi yokushemera kwanje
roseful isi yebiroto birungi.
Give your child the opportunity to build a brighter future by enrolling at Ankole Western University, a Christian-founded institution located in Shema District on Kabohe Hill. Ankole Western University provides a conducive learning environment with modern facilities and highly qualified professional lecturers dedicated to equipping students with the knowledge, skills, and values needed to succeed in today's competitive world. Programs offered: degree and diploma programs in agriculture, information technology, accountancy, business administration, public administration, education, and theology. Postgraduate diploma programs are also available. August intake 2026 registration is in progress. Ankole Western University offers a 50% scholarship to eligible students. Tuition fees after scholarship: degree programs, Ugandan shillings 650,000 only. Diploma programs, Ugandan shillings 450,000 only. Apply today. Download application forms from www.au.ac.ug. Ankole Western University, light of the world.
Korukayo mukahumura muganda makuru y'abashubuzi bahamhanda muri Tsiriateto mu rurembo rwa Hoima bayereko kwetombwita habumshoro gwa kanso gubaru kugira ngo guhingurine abantu benda gurebwemu nabo baganyirwa umwuga gwabo ubwo bushubuzi.
Abashubuzi bahamuhanda omuri Tsiriatete omurembo rwa Hoima abarkwegitira mu kigombe cyabo ekya Hoima East United Street Vendors Association nabajangwe mshoro ya kanso ebahingurineho yababuzo bw'ikizo
obwire buno nti arume receipt zikaire nizigabimwa zitali umateka musanga receipt ekusoma sigiri food cyuka kandi bakuhoza tomato bakuhoza greens bakuhoza ebintu ebibisi so nabwo receipt ziziro na stamp cyuka kandi bakakandi bakuwache ebintu byaitu ibabitwara tuwangire kusasura siringi 10 buri kilo.
Stephen Bazare chairman w'abashubuzi aba najangwe mshoro mingi egumira abashubuzi bahwero mu mabanja agakire ahakubarema okwihura
asoboire okora register y'abantu abatakirere bakora amuhanda hano so ukujumire kintu kya mulingo nkogo bayinisaba government nti etuhereze na ife omwanya guno mulingo tuyikayire nitukora hano niti tuwe first priority ugenda mukatalako akaba kutekaniza kombeko
yano ubiri bwe sahemu baide mutoka za government batinisiza abantu bayinisaba abakwatibwa bakono abakozi ba ije tulindire road mayor hamna abakansalazi basite bibagenda kutwala batugambire bagenda kusemezaho batwala abashobozi bayitu bataleka yitu akampaha akarufura.
Edward Singoma meya w'ururembo rwa Hoima yarabura barukushoroze mshoro etamanyirwe ngo nubaza kwatwa
akatalako site ekakozere bizo nitwe na tukakozere kionka abantu tukubahiya mihanda ni bajyaho batari nagoze kikume kibakozereki basasuire kuyaho bakuja kubani basasura obusente butitotito oburaba nu maintaining ekichweke kikora cyayikara kiri kirungi abakuba kujya kubani bagenerating ebisasiro bakuja kubani ba kosa toilets ezikuja kubani zetaga kubani zikolwa service
abebemezo n'abayanjure ntebe kanisa zo kutwara abashubuza aba omukatare ka hamwe.
Akatale ka Kiryatete arikunda kuteka abantu akatale kajya kuba nikakomedetinga abantu bakushana kandi ebintu byone ebimu tubazire kuteka mu kituweka gamba nka toilet ya maizi roho kandi tugenda kuongeraho yabakate n'abasayija biro tugenda kuongeraho nendi kwikara rero ekozereki kule haraha ijira bane bagenda kuno amaizi garoho amasanyarazi garoho tugenda kubateraho naki n'abalinzi abasirikali.
Gasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.
Bari Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto abatura omuwade arwemjina na Bnusia abatwire hihi ne charita byasina bahirwe ebirabiro na chumwe okuba bihireme bihingwa eva biro mchareci okuraburo okukwirwa National Environment Management Authority NEMA na nebyo bhangwa omurembo rwambarara abari omuhoro yo kugarraho ekisharareci ecatahirirwa abatura.
Ekishara kya byasina ekiriyo modi yarwemijena hamwe n'eyabunusia omurimbara City North Division kikatahirwa abatura abakingiremo emboga ebikwijo emitumba n'ebindi bihingwa kandi n'abandi bakatandika kurisizamu.
Twino bukwijo bwito kwa hansi twino budodo ngo tubesizeho mu butaraha bukoze imyanya yitu yona noreba turya lini ya settlement muri okutwira ha busozi den hata ahitukulira hansaho mbona hato abanyabwiti mwakutwara ningashimu butwiyeho tuzenkahi
ubwa hati ebyo buhangwa umurembo rwambarara bakwatanise n'ekitongole cyo kurinda ebyo buhangwa ecyanema batandikire huru yo kugaruza hichareci kandi batandikire no kubugana abatura bo mbyare biherire chareci okubashomese barukwenda
twite turija twegese tukugambire du ABCD rugo mu kishara koza kishara shimero kwa kiri mwebikoko ebi kandi kinemi gasheji neje then wayanga inechituleta restoration orders twaiza kwegesa twidentifyinga abantu abatayire kishara nituja tukusavinga restoration order
ngarwe kuriya bijaga cyo mu kishara ngabo kishitahira atugakikaye konka icyo kugira ngo twabanduza ari imwe cyo n'icyo nka nducaza utabacuba konka no kuyebwa mu kishara no kuyebwamo konka okuyona cyunze kushinya kandi notsinze bazine
abatura hona nibagira ngo byo bahangwa nibatonganisa umuhanda basigaye byaganukira aha kubango nibagezeho kubinga bora bineme bihingwa bareka bagiga bineme bizimbe
mnyankwe nacho mfumu ngo cyenyaza cyancu zundankirganka ahigura mutwe n'ikutandikira ngezeho kumanyisa ki ngaza kura nahurira ngo kuruga kuri abanakero ngo cyo yona n'umwanya gw'ikisara abagiga bakahombeka kandi hombekere muhareba ko kari konka taro action yona eri kutoreka unawo muri yo mwenda kubakwata ukureka ate cyamani twenda kwata ukingo tudodanka muri mu kisara
abo ba factory tubakubasa kugira umurengo bwo bakubasa koresa amamizi gabago gaza kushora kurga kuri factory ikintu uko kikareka kubona bonisa abantu abo kuba infected factory batekamo Mbabazi nyingi yari kubanera ugama kandi icyo cyunuko kutwe cyatahira abantu abo kubaryo imyanya ejo nabo bashimbe kwandi bagira ubwiro bagira ki batunga
aba bahirwe birabera na cyumwe kuba bihireme byabo kandi abarayanje ebihingwa byabo nibija kushishwa
abari ya social media no maraba bakambara bakura mwara barafarata zibarumba shenye nabanga habazirebe tine farati ninga chombe kechiraga mu mchara cyo tikenda kubabiha washumanduija bembirura kampara eje shari kubagambira turyo mukoti nimbaza wa mtakuchumanya nabari omurwizi abayembecuro mu rwizi Katete Kashanyarazi Rugazi muracurire hecho ubwo mushango kweza kukaguti actually tune na directive minister ziremo ndabona barumbargemo
ekishara cya byasina ni cyumuhaye bisharare bahanga biri kukigena miza garuko rw'umurembo rwambarara agaruko hendera gagarukiro mu mugera gwa rwizi kandi abatura bakora norya cyahi kaburangere kitambwa na kagurogoro abatwire hine kishareki no barategana subwo muhoreji ahabwa TV West and Aidan Bataringaya
abakazi omu district ya Shema basimire government ahabw'okutandikaho enkore ya Uganda Women Entrepreneurship Program omu byanga byabo abantu bakira ngu ebahwerire okulwanisa obworo mu maka gaabo kurabira omu kutandikaho emishuburo etari emwe n'emwe.
babigambira ubwo abebembezi mu district ya Shema babiri barambura group z'abakazi mu Masheru ka town council hamwe na Masheru ka sub county abakazi okweno bahera government obujuruzi okwebahwerire omukurwanisa obworo kurabira mu nkore ya uwepo.
Ninsima president Museveni kutereze sente z'abacyara niwe nkabantine kinyine nkabantine kibanja nkaban ndyo muru konke sente zikizizira mu mwaka gw'2018 ubazimpa nkagure mbuzi natandika kuzikozesa ati nyirome kibanja cha miliyoni 3 n'icweka naga kanihame kindi cha miliyoni 1.80
sima sente za wepu zikatwongera munonga etwabe stine twayongera project yabasa kuhanga tukastine room twajombeka twayombeka store yo kwenyuma twayongera na mutindo biyonjo twakora tukafina mudale zitwasta.
Omuhezi wa RDC mu district ya Shema Sam Orinkunda arabwira abantu kunyaga sente za government ngo barye nordia
omu box okwete bwa government ndio ningamba multiple borrowers omu government program mwachireba buli government program ine yoki sente za ile yo kata kusishashura multiple borrowers in government ninza kushigambira na president ekintecho report zitukora niza kuchitamu president akagenda yakora programs nyingi then abantu bagira magezi PDM is o benefiting na yeri zo mukono ebyoga na yeri zo mukono nati naza kubuza ba PDM bajya abine ronzi za government kandi obwe no mu web ntubabanja
osasa bwememba wawe obeno manyangwa muherwa byone sente zo ni waranjirota ni warazishashure itwe zitu zirukunyagwa muri abantu bangahi batanu umwe hari imwe yarugamu abasigara n'umushashura ki umushashura sente
hona abantu barabwirwa kwetantara kafuna ngo ahabwo kubazimazire ebintu byabo bahendekera kamena
abantu babasharuka sabukamu wareba utinde kizibu ekizoja eliza wota kisorovinje bakushara bamaraka utagizo amadeni mwachekejele mwenu washambo kitizo ya mbelizo ndani shishire sentesi omuntu najambo ja nomusyo ashare hamara don't go to manere noga bakutomcho kokota zo wame nibaza kubiba ibintu byanyu amakandi gaza kufa nimza kusigara na banikefuzi nimutoroko maka eshabiza kutunga ubuzima
amakuru agagasha kwa mayiko atwakire
katumire hon tugarukana gande
tandika izuba emirimo urugendo ninga kahumuro neco kunywa cha kituzi yenywere kituzi ohure matwenge aha mu miro nikikurwa ku rugo mu kituzi cha shitake amajani hamwe no bwoki konjoro bunuzi hamwe no mutindo eki nikikurwa ba kituzi farm company limited abeine teknolojia nebyoma byo mutindo kituzi drink ikirizibwa kitongore cyo mutindo mu ihanga echa UNBS kandi neshangwa mu maduka na supermarket zono mu ihanga kushubura tera simu noti mushanju 8 mushanju bisha twina bitana 3 nemwe ninga noti mushanju 8 mushanju bisha twitano 00 mwenda.
Fellow Ugandans, your parish development model circle belongs to you. Across the country, new elections for PDM circle boards are taking place to ensure transparency, accountability, and proper management of community funds. Did you know every eligible member of the parish above 18 years of age has the right to participate in choosing trustworthy leaders for their circle? The old boards are being replaced to strengthen governance, protect public resources, and improve service delivery to beneficiaries. After the elections, SACCOs will conduct statutory audits, hold annual general meetings, and account to members on how PDM funds are being utilized. This is your opportunity to shape the future of your community. Please go and register with your SACCO. Do not stay behind. Participate in the elections. Demand accountability. Support transparency. Together, we can build stronger PDM SACCOs and transform households into the money economy. For more information, contact your parish chief, district commercial officer, or local government leaders. This message is brought to you by the Government of Uganda through the Ministry of Local Government and the PDM Secretariat.
Chakabozi multivitamin drink chikutasyo munsi y'amagara marungi nichikuyambaho kwigura emisi kireta amani masyo mubashija hamwe n'abakazi n'endijo migasho kwata akabozi multivitamin drink otuntumura cyubaro na stress echo kunywa cyakabozi multivitamin drink nichikorwa bakabozi health products limited cyamibwa UNBS kandi cyuruho mbipimo bya milliliters 120 omuduka supermarkets hamwe n'imotoka z'abakabozi okwedorori hanga ryona okushubara no kumanyibira kuciraho 0702 15 91 0M.
Omare kurukagomba ogutebeka nisibwe ba Swift Initiatives Limited omuchayi kache kambarara ufitandika niburu 26 ebyo kwezi kwa mukaga okwisebura 5 ebyo kwezi kwa mushanju omwakogo aha main gate ne 12 zonka no kureba nyamishwa ne 12 zonka abana b'amashomero aha main gate eshiringira 10 kandi kureba nyamishwa na zone 10 zonka mngena b'amakorera amahango hamwe n'amace abaza banks telecom companies za companies zikora byo kunywa abahinja abatunyi n'abarisa abari kuri byo mikono abari kushubura imyenda enkeito abamabara amahotel n'abari kosa za mucomo amashomero n'amatendekero mwena ni mwetwa nije murebe nyamishwa engabia embarasi uruziramire ubunyankogote maya ugonya nenjeya babuniga abana mwarya face painting swimming pool y'abana bouncing castles rero sakasinse yo murembe egali yo mweka y'abana uri kwenda kubukinga akasimu noti mushanju 2 anana mukaga kinana na mukaga.
I'm called Awidi Isabella. I'm studying from Villa Maria School of Nursing. I've won a school fees with the MTN Momo. This school fees you win for a full year, which I'm very happy for it. I thank MTN Momo for helping me in paying my school fees.
We've paid all the fees for the year.
Thank you very much, because on Wednesday, the principal told me, look for my man and bring my man. I told her, no, I don't have money now. You have to wait until I get the money. But when I left our office, at 3, they called me that you have won the money from Momo. I said, how does it happen?
As long as you pay school fees using Momo, you stand a chance to win school fees for a year. Dial *165 *80# to win school fees for a year and more.
Everything could be end.
Penkoni.
Yeah.
Yakweha utamuha umudu nokora ekikire wanywa mpenkoni. Wanywa mpenkoni nushumura kushemererwa urubunuzi na nobusinge. Nuenda kuchamuka mpenkoni.
Legenda. Yakini chocho kunywa chonka.
Mpenkoni ni kwamani uhindiko mushija nyishija. Mpenkoni ni rukundo n'ubugwaje. Teri kuteza hangover narisho kuterwa umutwe. Sinza kutambura. Ngashimye de kumpenkoni. Ukakasi. Kwata. Nawe nyuwako. Tunge chupa yawe hati omumaduka gakuri hihi no mabarago no mwihanga. Iwo mushubuzi terasi muzitezi.
Mpenkoni. Wachinkorire.
Mommy?
Yes?
At school, everyone crunching.
Nange kumulimu nga nkola. When I'm watching my kazanyo.
Anti ku highway nga mvuga. Sisumagire echo shuwa. Honey, mwana muwe.
Get your favorite packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet of Psalms and start crunching.
Psalms, taste the difference.
Mayanja Memorial Medical Training Institute abari kushangwa mu Rembo Mbarara nibamanyisa abantu mwena ngo kushaba imyanya ahabo bwegese bubushaho aharengurwa diploma na certificate ni kugenda misho ahabo July intake. Course za certificate nezi eyo buzarisa jete midwifery, eyo bunurse jete nursing, eyo kucebereshagama jete medical laboratory techniques. Okushoma courses notekwa kuba oshire chemistry n'urungereza. Rero nibashomesa na diploma zezi clinical medicine and community health emyaka 3, eyo kucebereshagama jete medical laboratory technology emyaka 3, okweyongera ahabunasi ninga buzarisa jete nursing o midwifery extension o mahagomene chweka. Leto kushaba kwawe ahishomero Mayanja Memorial Medical Training Institute kandi kumayikukiraho Teresmez Airtel not even not note mwenda 23 ina mukaga munana na MTN not 3 emwe mwenda ina 3 emwe. Mayanja Memorial Training Institute, empowering to serve.
At Avance International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670 691.
Tyson! Mwiroko mugende mwirukanze nko kweri ya mugirete. Kase tuyiroko mukagwatagana nuko akajibakwata. Robert! Aza kututwara ugiteka yo munanko. Yesu! Biji. Kana nimwe mune yo kubaga. Hati MTN resaraka zanone baketa ko kuko liko. Kugira ngo buri nkoko kwe kuzugo mu kasese. Hagati ya saye mwena saye ibiri. Okagura voice bundles. Asimu yawe. Then yo MTN ne kwereza menatsi ezabu sezine zo koze sizo baryona
gurede chika rwagati ya shahe mwe na shahe ibiri zakasheshe rero tungede chikisha tuzabusha ezo kutera ba MTN izo baryona nyiga star emwe not star ibiri emwe hash rero tungede chika zawe zabusha buri izoba MTN twina hamwe okurizana kwitu tukuruho kizibera MTN.
Sanitary pads hamwe na ABC Feather sanitary pads tokujwara bukumi bwoka konkani zije hamwe n'obusinje bwinji n'amanu go kunyunyuta hamwe n'ebishenje bine byo bukumi kandi n'amapapagazo ni maringwa agari kuretera okwekunda n'obusinje izoba ryona nechiro quality pads affordable price. Pads zezi zikasimwa na awards za bulenje bwizoba ya Afrika. Feather pads niziretwa umusize nyinji ahari mu empango neza burijo kandi nizija na pantliners zabusha okuyamba umumbera zawe nko mukazi. ABC Feather sanitary pads okoroba amani obusinje. Feather sanitary pads obukumi bwo mutano umbwire bwo mutano.
Metropolitan International University, a multi-campus university with campuses in Kampala, Kisoro, and Mbarara. They offer various courses in disciplines like computing, education, humanities and social sciences, business administration and management sciences, tourism and journalism studies, information technology, agriculture, health sciences, and engineering courses. Full and partial bursaries of tuition are also available for those who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Come for your degree, diploma, or certificate studies. Empowerment through knowledge creation.
Korka yumkahumro makuru agabye mzano timu za mashomero ga senior ezrabreho okujwechera echange cha ankole ho mizano ya mashomero ga senior abwa Uganda yona herukwija kuba omukibuga gulu esande herukwija zitirwa muhimbo gukora kurunje.
Timeze zirabiremo kuzarurengo rwihangane zikozere kurunje mu mizano y'icanga cha ankole hereze kuhendera muri Uganda. ezirimo timu mushanza boje hamwe timu mukaga zabice za volleyball zebembirwe St Kagwa Bushenyi High School hamwe na St Elizabeth ba champion. Shema High School na Buremba SS ababira ba kabiri. Itano za netball zebembirwe Kibas High School ba champion. Ina za basketball yabashatu habandi zebembirwe St Joseph's Vocational School Mbarara ba champion. Ina za handball aboje n'abice Zermontary School St Kagwa Chizoba Merehira hamwe na Masheruka. Ina za woodball zebembirwe Chamate Secondary School abaro ba champion baboje hamwe na Nabici Kandezi zishabirwa kujwekere cyanga kurunje. Bakuru b'imizano y'amashomero gasi niyo muri yankore borikiro kwatwaho amashomero gamagataru kwetaba imizano kucara munongo ku rugabo hwejo aho bagizire ngo nibija kuri kiro kubasiko kureba ngo babahiga batandika kujejumbiramo.
Head teacher wenda wishomero oba private oba government at least from all these disciplines tokare mamwe okore ma football tokore ma netball wale ma netball tokore ma badminton tokore ma badminton tokore ma at least one item ogira wizira
ma nukutegwa kugere bichweka bisatu nkitegwa kutebekana somutwe kiteweka nsebinde bichweka byombiri kandi tugarike tebona nemichwe na nebindi byone bikubasa kutuyamba waba norondo murumo nindo ine cyo kuzakora amageze ngabasa kutwara yo konke kureka murumo nemichwe hamwe na nebindi bintu ebuwayejiro mwishomero timu zikikamushanje no garahigo kandi ryo kubanza n'ishomero rya chairman wa Ankole region seko ya hata mushanga ekisindikire timu zinyingi ziri kurenga timu zimushanju ndenda kusima thank you for leading by example kanta sindikire zonka na numuza tebotel so stazane kunu ya za badminton hona sindikire timu zintenda kusima thank you so much
twatanze hamwe ka timu basa kwanti maintain the legacy bakubite ibasizire then tukuzana sho expecting and delivering kumenga sure ngo kwa data pride region ya Ankole.
Imizano ya Uganda yona nije kutandika 2012 ryo kwezoko kandi Ankole nije kujocerwa timu ziri kurenga 50 imizaniro kwiki 12 aba TV West and Aloysius byamukama.
Webere Aloysius byamukama kandi niko twabasa kwendera tuti amakuru Agacencwire wanagakusiona Mbabazi Charity na Lois Gavan twenda kwendeza mwebazi y'umuronji agani gategereze nyinshi kare rara kurunje.
Ukumbereba ne kukibaho
oyine mbogoka ndaba mulungi ayibambe ne kolera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje
program Ukumbereba msibeje basebo nabanyabo abakundeba embogo manya nyenda mbagambire embogo hati chwiri abukati embogo tina takujinyu you kora nonde watakajinywere you better start now because abana bajitire mu birungo batamwe ibirungo byarenge mbogo kumbucha I mean iwe nyembo gora ribe kagambe mbogo onywe loza kura waterera amagara gawe gagira obusinji edrai ntoni mama wa Naume turambure cyango kwe naika arahaba kikuru ntwenda kuramsi mukikuru anje edrai abakikuru mbareba kumbereba mbareba TV West ntwenda kubasima imwe package yanyu yembogo eriyo ntwenda kumantu bagabara yes then murebeke ngo mwakuraje hari kintu rijobe kinkwenda gamba nanta kigambireho program yanje nebitagira makuru nekintu cyo kujuma bebembezi Biburi netugira ngo abebembezi barondwa ruhanga. That's why every Sunday all churches nane msijiti nenza kuza district kaza angambe nchikonka njamba sabira president ne basabira president akanomwe bembezi wiyana mwana yenda kuja ngo obundi aba korba no blaming one blaming no blaming obanzo sitame wenga wanyetegereza wena kwenda gamba enshonga zizona ezukwata hihanga ezukwata hadini ezukwata hambera ekintu kyona. Let's not abuse each other. Yanga ryo kujumirana toro. We cannot accept twin. Kora boryo mwana, oryo musikazi no kora, oryo mwizukuru, waza atijyo gamba kuko nazo gamba. Otajuma bakuru. Respecting emyaka yawo. Kora abo kuzire. No manyangu yo kuzire warengize emyaka nkaga n'etano yo kuhumura. Kora ze gamba nk'emyaka yawo kweli. Yes, let's not abuse leaders. Tino kuza kwikiza ngo onkore ngo umuntu ayimere ha TV hajuma umuntu amweto musuru amwe no way. Nyewonye no mwa nyina bana hanga nkahirwa ya mparuza. Tinkoza kushomesha umwana wanje nkaguze protes zanje nkaguze ente zanje nkamushomesa lo akaheza achibayaheza oturuta abantu rwa speed no sur otkaharaka speed tukakwetegeza ninkunaga because I've invested a lot. Wanyetegereza hey, you cannot abuse my father, you cannot abuse my mother, you cannot abuse my son, you cannot abuse my daughter, you cannot abuse my brother. Now you cannot even abuse my leader. Yes. President Yoweri Museveni yona stambre nomna kwenda kutwara turoka ura nkomuti ya mujuma ninkangurukana. Ninkangarana. Wanyetegereza. Because I'm doing my things. Wanyetegereza. It was kweza nkemyaka makumi abiri tahuririsha sindugamba. Ngupo. Omuntu kahuru omuntu yenda ngo amujume. So please ntuenda tuena tuemere tujengo ihanga ryo kujumira na rukome. Ora kwata kazindaro atereze. One time akani ngabiraho kansara wanje garubanda. Kora arebe in the society yono yoraberumu omka group kona. Wale bahanda kutaza. Iwo no gwapo in your heart of hearts. No reba ngo chinte chisikiri yumusi omukono. Konko mukono gokora gwe musi as a leader yumuko tereza. Yumuko reto businji. Omuntu wena oyumuke kureto businji omuka yawo, oyumuke kureto businji muyanga lyawo. Tukwemba moro. No basako buri wa mahe original ba inemyaka nkaga n'etano ba pointinga CDF ainemyaka 35 yusari yote abo kwanwe CDF no basako inemyaka 9 bate represent akaruru ainemyaka 5 n'etano no je your excellency abo kuba nuwe aroho kanwe omukama atorino nukwe nkubereba iwe no bereba
okumbereba yaba ni kukibo
oyine mbogoka naba mulungi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje
kuretera chine hiro utobonozi ebiraro na bitano byo kwa mushanjo mwakongo omucishayi kacheka obo turi kwa muri kiremya kabiri na mushanjo y'umuhereza omurundo gwento sako bateri gumite mayeri tukuretera beshongoza bamani omwihanga ebyane bikwenda nyugunyo ba DJ abakabi abaraptero muziki ebyenda bakakwetogota weno kabayanga ntuzakaba n'ibihembo wiguga oteberwa no kugashura za rushaju reka tangambise bihama ijo erebere na kawe ay mambe isha tukuri byafwayo otahamu nisheje mutwaro kumakuka kuti ogwa Uganda manyarode westi ni radio kashangwaho radio rugeitanganda omu myaka banamushaje mu buhereza radio west kamapure echine hiro utabonuzi jajirwa Pepsi na nyekejo people sako
eshaha zabishatu z'ekiro na
Use the Momo app or dial *165*3# to pay and enjoy zero charges below 5k. That's the power of Momo.
Na hati gumano okozesa ABC Dent na Fresher kwenda ngu akanwa kawe kagumen kahumuraje izoba ryona. ABC Dent na Fresher nibikuhereza kawo karungi munonga yejumbiro mbazi ogwa ABC Dent na Fresher dero oyongera kusheka mu bantu otine kwetina.
Sunday Ishahe yo mwabazyo nitukuretera Visionary Singers Band. Nebyeshongwe kugalizo mu Mbabazi. Hamu kuhimbisa okuramya nangwa n'okushemererwa.
Abanya Uganda mwetebeka